So we are going to remove the DVD drive and get more space for the additional hard drive disk or SSD. Typically nowadays a laptop has a full cover at the back, so it's easy to remove it. But what if your laptop has a smaller one that you don't know where your DVD drive is? So let's have a look at two different types of back of laptops and remove two DVD drives in this video. See this screw? It's what we are going to remove. And then it's time to push a little bit. See? So here's another one. The same, we find the screw and then we remove it and push.